So we are at this place called United Kitchens of India, and this is Ayush, and he's just had his celebrations, the Halloween celebrations. He's
It
at
was a
this.
war zone.
Oh, it was a war zone. Why was it a war zone? Because it's so beautiful. This is how.
No, it's not because of that.
Yeah. Why did you have the war zone?
Because
It's a very peaceful place.
because people who were doing bad stuff to Walker got angry, then told everyone to get out. And I was hiding with my friend Anthony,
Okay.
and so he found a good hiding spot. We were hiding there until one coworker came.
Okay.
Then he left. Then I had to go. Then I had to do everything by myself.
Okay, like that. Thick cut sandwiches.
Can you just pour water here?
Watermelon salad. So this is how the menu card looks, and this is how the place looks. It's beautiful. So Ayush, we are waiting for our pizza to come. Once it comes, we'll do another video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Ayush, how do you find the pizza?
I didn't take a bite of it.
Take a bite, please. How do you find it, Chiku?
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah, this is the sauce, and this is how it looks.